Hello all, Ms Rasika welcomes you all in this exciting video about how to reverse the linked list. Earlier we have seen the linked list with STL, find the length of linked list, and now we will reverse the singly linked list. We all know the uses of singly linked list, but consider the case where you are using linked list to store the customers' data in linked list in a sequence of they get attached with your firm, and suppose now you want them in reverse order, or consider that you have stored your marks in linked list and now you want them in reverse order. Then what you will do? Will you read them in reverse order? Doesn't sounds bad. Didn't you think best solution is to reverse the whole list? Don't worry, I have bring a perfect solution for you to reverse the whole list. While reversing you can think like it need to store somewhere or it should be permanently reversed. So these are two main solutions to do it. One is to reverse and store into same, and another is to reverse and store separately. Storing it another is quite simple, and if you understand how to traverse list in reverse then you can easily do it. So today we will reverse list at that instance only. We will reverse whole list and store it in same list. If you go in deep then you will surely find two ways to do it, iterative and recursive. Here we will choose a non-recursive or simply iterative way. I'm choosing iterative because it's my polite opinion that iterative way is quite efficient than recursive. So without wasting our time, let's move towards algorithm to reverse the linked list. Firstly, we need some data structures, so it should be initialized first. So here we need 3 pointers: previous as PRE, cursor as CURR, and next as NEXT. Cursor will point to head and other will to null. Cursor is similar to temporary variable. Then we need to traveling through list. While traveling we will do following things: a store next node, b change next of current, or reverse the current's pointer, that is, cursor next equal to previous, c move previous and cursor one step forward. Here in loop we will exchange previous and next of each loop, and when we come out from loop, point head to previous. Now it's time to go with coding. Here in this code, two classes are taken which will represent node and class respectively. We can also take structure for representing node. So class node contains 3 elements as data or value: pointer next to point next and pointer pre to point previous. Class linked list contains head pointer as data structure AMD 3 functions or methods: 1 to add elements in list, other to display all, and remin is today's star method to reverse. In add node integer argument is taken to add that n in the list. Then using temporary variable temp, we will traverse and tem will be our new node. Firstly we will check is it a first node, if yes add it as head, if not traverse till end and then add at end. Next method is to display. Here we will simply traverse using temp and then we will print data each time for new node. Next function or method is to reverse. Here we'll take temporary cursor as CURR and PRE and NEXT as previous and next. Cursor will point to head, and for each node, we will chamga its previous and next pointers. It is same as swapping two numbers or pointers, and then head will be assigned to pre, because pre will contains last nodes at the end of while loop. At this moment one can think like that how it will come. Then I will politely say that, take one list and solve it by pen and paper once and then implement it, so it will be really easy to understand. You can use this technique for each program to make it happy and lightweight. So let's take a glance from main function. Here we will first create an object for class list. Then we will add all nodes in the list. Then it's time to display the list. And then we will take choice of user about to reverse the list. If it is no, then program will end the execution. And if yes, then we will reverse and display the list. Did you have noticed noticed that variable x is used 2 times in this code for 2 different placed and intention without any error and exception. Let me clear this. So, when the work of x, that is to take variables and put them in list, is end but scope isnt, so at this moment we can reuse it. So this is just variable reuse, and it will be good practice to decrease the space complexity of code. So let's go. While executing, first we will give count of elements and enter all of them, then list while be displayed. After say yes to reverse list, and look, it is done perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. For such more videos, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.